Yo, that was my car that did that.
We're gonna be flashing the xHP trans flash, and we're going straight to stage 3. We're gonna get this on the machine, and we're gonna see how it performs. And I'm connected to the MHD, so now we're connected to the MHD one. So we're gonna make sure you have your seatbelt buckled. We're gonna start to flash. Before you even do that, make sure your phone is in, I think they said airplane mode. And then you just select the version. Now it's flashing the stage 3. And you're gonna see like codes like drivetrain mount function and all that stuff. But it's normal code, so it finished flashing successfully. And it took 5 minutes and 23 seconds. This is gonna be stage 3, so. Okay, yo, that thing, yeah, that shifting is fast. Bomboclaat. Oh, snap. Fast Eye family. Bomboclaat. No. That is crazy, bro. The shifts are amazing. Bro, as soon as I tap the pedal, it shifts. Nah, hey. This xHP is different. Big shout out to xHP.